Are you looking to boost your income from the comfort of your home? In this video, we'll explore the exciting remote work opportunities that allow you to earn extra income while managing social media for various clients. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your passion for social media into a lucrative career. Watch now and start your journey today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Unlock the freedom to earn while you work from anywhere. LiveWorld is your gateway to a fulfilling remote job as a social media agent. They empower individuals like you to earn extra income, all from the comfort of your home. Enjoy flexible hours and a supportive team environment that values your contributions. As a social media agent, you'll be diving into a mix of tasks like providing customer service on social platforms, engaging in marketing chats, managing events, and keeping the brand's image shiny. Your day-to-day can include checking out posts and acting according to brand guidelines, answering customer questions, chatting with online users to keep conversations lively, and juggling between different systems or apps. You'll mainly handle the social media accounts for brands, companies, or individuals. If you land the gig, there's some training involved to get you up to speed. Once you're in, you'll have access to LiveWorld's member dashboard, where you can set your own schedule. You pick when and how long you want to work. Most gigs are part-time with hourly pay ranging from $8 to $15, depending on what role you're in and your experience level. Payments are made every 2 weeks via direct bank transfer or PayPal. Super convenient since there's no minimum threshold needed for payout. As long as you've earned something during that period, it'll hit your account through whichever method you prefer. Don't wait. Apply now to become a LiveWorld social media agent and start earning extra income today. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.